Sometimes, adding a little magic to your space goes a long way. And with Wintergreen Lighting's new LED fairy light trees, you can beautifully enchant any room in your home. Fairy light trees come in multiple sizes, which means you can stand taller trees alone or in vases on the floor, and use small trees for decorative tabletop and furniture displays. Assembly is easy. Simply remove the tree from the box, connect it to its base plate, shape the branches to your liking, and enjoy! The base plate also includes holes for stakes, just in case you want to use your fairy trees outside for special events. Wintergreen Lighting's fairy trees are extremely energy efficient and designed to be cool to the touch, which makes them safe for high-traffic areas, kids, and pets. So, add a little magic to your home decor. Surprise your kids with a cool new decorative light. Create a stunning entryway, or simply make your favorite sitting spot that much better with Wintergreen Lighting's new LED fairy light trees.